Hey, how are you doing? So welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. So have you guys ever seen this type of rig before? It's called Tai Rubber. Design is pretty simple. It's got a sinker, free slide sinker, and a rubber piece and double hook. That's it. Probably now it's common in all over the world. Maybe in other countries it's called rubber jig or something. But it's been used by local fishermen for about 200 years to catch Japanese red snapper. This rubber piece attracts fish and then the fish bites. And it swims like this. So you drop this rig down to the bottom and retrieve it very slowly, like at this speed. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, fish on! It seems like a decent size of red snapper, cause it's tagging really strong to the bottom. It's only a 16-pound test line, so I have to be very careful to pull up the fish. Loosen the drag setting to release the power of fish. Gently pull up the rod and just reel in as much as I pulled up. Finally, I meet the good size of snapper. Now it's early April, and it's kind of beginning of the spawning season for red snapper. So now a lot of those good size of snapper are approaching to the shore for their spawning. Huge! Now I'm gonna make sashimi of the snapper I just caught. It's the easiest way to enjoy the freshness of fish. Separate the head from the body. Of course I keep this head for the other dish. Draw a guideline and then go deeper and deeper until the knife hits the spine. Do the same thing for both sides. And finally, separate the fillet by cutting off the rib cage. Then half side is done. And just do the same thing to the other side. Just cut the skin to draw a guideline, and then go deeper and deeper. And this is how I cut off the rib cage. Rib cage and pin bones are connected, so you gotta separate them first. Then scrape off the rib cage little by little. And finally cut off the pin bones. Just cut along the pin bones. Now you have boneless 4-piece fillets. Chopped scallion, soy sauce, and then a little bit of olive oil. Simple is best. It's delicious. It's blessing from the sea.